Mantis Luna. I don't know.
No fucking clue.
Kung Fu Fighting is my #1 favorite song.
I don't know. I think Chloe I think she's on a tilt.
She on
Apparently.
Elo Terrorist vibe?
She might be on
Like
a tilt.
Shorkin?
No.
They're both on Elo
Bruce,
Terrorist
maybe.
kits. Right now.
True.
They're on the tower. They are the EOMM agents right now.
Which hero do you think you want?
Maybe.
No, they are. It's not a maybe.
Chloe usually plays the good supports. I'm pretty sure she has
Stowe.
like
I've played with Kathy before.
Hi,
everyone's
Stowe.
lord.
We run it again.
Hello.
Now, who am I gonna banish from this match?
My wife said she's gonna leave me if I become a Jeff OTP. Goodbye. Everybody is Kung Fu Fighting.
What an awful wife.
Your mind becomes fast as lightning. Although the future is a little bit frightening.
Fuck with Sideband.
It's the book of your life that you're writing.
Wow.
Hive mind. Get rid of the panther.
This is why you have no boyfriend, nil too long? Is that supposed to be said in a Chinese accent?
Huh? We got Superman.
Not Superman.
I don't want to deal with a panther. Like you.
What the fuck
You'll
are
need
these
a
bands?
top-notch team to win this one.
Yeah, I saw the patches. Wanda's a nuclear bomb. Pantha is a
Do you know
perma
Main Healer also?
avoid.
No, Ultron's good with this.
Should I go to a tank or stay with heals?
Mel DBO, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate you. Welcome
Whatever
in.
you want.
You're becoming a man. His OTP and said you're getting canceled, Alex. What? Chill. New tank. Yeah, I'm scared of a flying beautiful Dami Mommy. I'm about to get swatted out the fucking sky. I don't like that. What are you laughing at? You excited for her to shove her fucking giant ass sword up your ass? I don't think you're ready for that. Okay. Every time you see me throw a shit cloak bubble like that, it's me picking my controller up off my leg. I'm gonna speed you guys out the door.
Well, you accidentally clicked the button.
Honestly, I didn't like snow growing up. Harmony always tried to throw snowballs with me, though.
My snowflake's on you, Ultron, so you can keep this Iron Man up.
That's view pixels.
Blinding mag. I'm on him. Reloading.
Okay, we have triple sup. I expect no deaths. To Spider-Man.
Don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run. Rotate to the point. Luna, sit on the right side here with me.
Bro, Spidey.
3 on. Blinding mag.
I'm blocking his ult. Oh.
Huge.
Good fucking pulse charge.
Beautiful Sadie, beautiful. Paddington.
Where are my healers? I'm kidding.
Wow. Capping the point.
kidding.
Dingus.
I get it, you hate me. You didn't follow me.
I do.
Why do you hate me?
Sword. Why are you coming after the way I say that word?
Where the fuck did you just get pulled? Oh, yeah, you're respawning.
Dude, I forgot they had a Spider-Man. And it's YB and Kuja.
Is it Kuja?
Fucker. Yeah. He saved his fucking. I'm pissed.
Oh no. He doesn't dunk me that far back. Is anybody on it? Is anybody on my ult?
Where's the Spider-Man, huh? Fuck me.
Why did we not walk? Okay. If one of you die to a
Spider-Man's
Spider-Man
being a
hook,
fucking bitch.
okay. Why do you
I
keep
died to it
going up
twice
here?
in a row.
So yeah, stop. Go bottom left.
Because
you
I'm
can walk
ego,
up.
you know.
Okay, you can go bottom left, you know, and not get pulled off the map at all.
Yeah, I know,
whatsoever.
but I wanted to kill him really bad.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't even mean to
Down
kill
one.
that person. Holy shit, good shit, Hulk.
We're still pushing the cart.
Spidey's looking for all here.
Mm-hmm.
He used it already.
Oh, did he? Okay.
Blinding. Fading out.